Hello, my name is Sosefo Naufahu. I am from a Tongan family, siblings of 11 children. I am the sixth from the eldest, and I am 24, and I am from Hawaiian. I am currently a student at LCC, Hawaiian campus, and Pearl City. I am currently studying for my bachelor's degree as a social worker. I've had an interesting life. Experienced a lot of trials and tribulations growing up.
What made you decide to go into social work?
Because I was in the foster home as a child, in and out of the CPS. My parents, I didn't understand. I was a kid, but now I understand. Now that I'm older, I understand better why they did what they did, just to make me a better person. And I've currently I'm working on building that relationship with my father, because he's the only parent that I do have left in this world. I've been through a lot of things. I've sold drugs before I started school, and I've done a lot because it's hard living here. I've had dreams before I even graduated high school, things I wanted to do: join the military, become an American, live the American dream. But it didn't turn out the way I wanted it to turn out. My dad, he helped me realize, he helped give me guidance, go to the Hawaiian Satellite City Hall for WorkLink Hawaii program. That's where I found my caseworker, and he helped me because he's pretty resourceful. I told him I wanted to go to school, and thank God for him. He helped me a lot, and then I started school. The poem where I'm from is based on Hawaii. I'm born and raised in Hawaii, in Hawaiian, and I see a lot of things and have witnessed firsthand a lot of things. Capitalization. I said something about the $15 million. Well, it's actually $16 million if you round it off. Police station. It was due time, I guess, for a new police station, but that much money is too much money. It's a lot of money. I mean, renovation, yeah, it's okay, but maybe $5 million go to the schools or to the shelters. There's a lot of shelters in Waianae, and I just got a job working as at a transitional home, and I feel that there could be more money going into that too, because drugs is a big thing in Waianae, or on the island itself. And it's sad because in a way, and I know because I was the one selling it too, so but it was a way for survival. And it's sad because that's the only thing people know, it's just to sell drugs. And that's the sad truth, that we're becoming so westernized. People are losing their culture. You see children wearing different clothing now. And I'd hate to see my sisters wearing that. Or the music they were listening to, and the way they talk, the way when I catch a bus and I see the young ones sitting up down, and I see the adults, the old people standing up, and I just feel ashamed. And in a way, I thank my dad for that too. So teaching me respect your adults and your elders. The way they talk back, we're losing our culture, our roots. What inspired me to write it was my teacher, Miss Kara Chang, my English 19 teacher. And thank God for her, she's the best. She's always fun. She makes it interesting.
Your poem is not about happy things and
oh yes, it's about the real life. A lot of us. It's about the 2,000 people living in the bushes, and a lot of them choose to live that style because they don't really know about. A lot of them don't know the resource that I know. It's different, and I even talk to them too. Like I've helped a few of them. In fact, younger ones, or some of the ones that have already graduated, and 2 or 3 of them at least, and they're now starting school, but I'm glad I could help them. It's not much, but
Maybe that's why you decided to become a social worker.
Yes, exactly. I can easily relate. So college has helped me with that, understanding me what I want to do for my future, what kind of career I want to get into, which is social worker, because I'm a people's person.